Okay, how's it going? My name's Carlos Green. I'm one of the BSF Platinum captains, and I just wanted to go over TripleWhale setup for everybody who's new. If you've gotten your landing pages audited, you've gotten your video, ad copy, one-click upsell, everything is set up. Everything's been audited, and everything's good to go, and you're finally ready to launch ads. What you actually want to do is set up your TripleWhale. After iOS 14, we need a third-party tracker to help keep track of where our traffic is coming from, which ad set, and who's making purchases and who's doing what on our website. So we could just do a quick search for TripleWhale UTM. We'll run into UTM tracking parameters. We could see this. It's kind of giving you a rundown of what it's going to do, how it's going to do it. Of course, we want meta for our meta ads. Then we can connect it. It'll give you details on how to set it all up, how to connect, and then we want our actual UTM parameters. So you can go here, copy this after you have your ad set up and everything. Then you're going to add that into the URL parameters before you launch. You want to give it 48 hours from when you actually schedule your ads until they run to make sure that everything's approved by Meta. And then as your ads are running, you can go to marketing acquisition, attribution ads, and then you'll be able to see how a breakdown of what your ads are actually doing. Anything that's profitable, anything that's a positive return on ad spend, we want to let that sucker ride. Even if it's not crazy profitable, as long as it's making a profit, we can let Facebook optimize it over the long term to make a greater profit in the future. I understand some people may want to save ad spend, and you can trim the fat on something that's not crazy with ROAS, but that's generally what you'd want to do. And in order to see this, you're actually going to go to select columns, my presets. You can save as a new preset, customize columns. They have some pre-built ones. You can click purchases or new customer or whatever to try to see. But you can. What I like to do is create this pencil one, call it BSF metrics, and then just automatically see profit, pixel return on ad spend, pixel new customer return on ad spend, and ROAS. And I've got CTR impressions, CPC, and then the last 2 days of the 3-day rule, where we're checking our add to cart and we're checking our purchases. Just because anything that's not going to hit the 3-day rule, we're going to kill. But anything that passes the 3-day rule, you're going to run it until it's no longer profitable. Do not turn off a profitable audience. Speaking from experience. So, yeah, if you want to add stuff, all you would do is, hit the plus icon for more items, and then you can drag this up to start to see, new stuff. But since this is some older ads, it's probably not going to update properly, but that's the general idea. So there's also, it's all in the App Store also, so you can download it on your phone when you're on the go if you want to keep track of your ads. But that's the gist of it. Yeah, it's good for keeping track of your profit, and hopefully that helps. Happy testing.